Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 5, Lesson 5. Our learning goal for today says, I can count the say 10 way to 20. Oh, awesome. When we count the say 10 way, we say 10 and then we say the other ones, right? Because 10 is a part of a teen number and then the ones are the other part. Okay, so let's practice that today. We're going to use our straws to help us. I already have 10 sitting out. And as I put on a new straw, we're just going to keep counting on the say 10 way. So watch. So I'll put a 1 straw out, and I would say 10, 1. Okay, what if I put another straw out? What would I say? Good. 10, 2. Let's keep going. 10, 3. Ooh, what about now, friends? Good. 10, 4. What about now? 10, 5. Very nice. What if I put another straw out? Good. 10, 6. All right, now I have 7 straws up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What would it be now? Good. 10, 7. Adding one more would make it 10, 8. And another one? 10, 9. Awesome. How about what if I add one more? 10 over here and 10 over here. What would that be? Yeah, I could say 10, 10. Man, counting the say 10 way all the way to 20 is pretty fun. You could say 10, 10, or you could say 2 10s when you get to 20. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and practice some numbers. So I have 10 there, and I'm going to add some more. So let's count. 10. I'm going to count the regular way. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, I see 15 there, but how would I say that the say 10 way? Because that's what we're practicing today. Good, I would say 10. And then how many ones did I have over here? Good, 10, 5. Excellent. All right, I'm going to count up again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How would you say 18 the say 10 way? Yes, we always say the 10 first. 10, 8. Wow, friends, you're doing fantastic. You know, our learning goal said that I can count the say 10 way to 20, and you're doing a fantastic job. We just always have to remember to say 10 and then say the other part that you did excellent with. So this is what I want you to do for your exit ticket. I want you to go ahead and make a video, and I want you to tell me, how would you say this number, it's 14, how would you say 14 the say 10 way? All right, good luck, friends.